Namaste all. My name is Sushmita and you are watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very frequently asked question to me, that is, what are the career options for candidates, for people who have done their intermediate or who have done their 12th class. They are 12th pass, intermediate pass or plus 2 they have done, and they have not completed their graduation or they have discontinued their education. What are the career options for those kind of candidates? Very frequently asked questions in the comments of my videos. So I thought, why not to create a video only on this topic. In this video, we will discuss about what are the things that a 12th pass candidate can do to start their career. Now, in this video, I will be talking about three things. First is private jobs. What are the private jobs a 12th pass candidate can apply for? And next one we will discuss about, I will tell you about what are the government options, government job options for a 12th pass student or candidate. And the third option is a person who is not interested to work for others. What kind of freelancing opportunities will be there for a plus 2 or 12th pass candidate, we will understand in this video. Now, the first section of this video is about private jobs. A 12th pass candidate who has not done graduation or any further studies, what are the job options? Now, in my list, the first option is content writer. If the candidate is very good in English, English, Hindi or any local language, that person can definitely become a content writer. There are so many websites online, there are so many businesses online who are looking for content writer in English, content writer in Hindi, content writer in Telugu, Tamil, Marathi or any local language. Now, if a candidate has very good writing skills, maybe he or she can write very good English writing skills, he can write very good Telugu content, that kind of candidate can definitely become a content writer. They can approach different websites and ask them if they have any content writing opportunities, maybe in English, Hindi or Telugu, whatever language. This candidate can ask those companies if they have any content writing opportunities. In that way, in content writing, this candidate can start their career. In my list, the second option is tuition teacher. A person can definitely become a tuition teacher. Even tuition teachers also earns very good amount, very good salary they earn on a monthly basis. So becoming a tuition teacher is definitely one of an option. Now, there are so many aggregator websites, there are so many aggregator companies who manages all these tuition teachers. They get leads for these tuition teachers and they send the tuition teachers to teach these students and all. So you can contact these kind of aggregator companies or businesses, and you can be a part of their group. You can be a part of their team. Now, the third point in private jobs in my list is definitely working in a BPO or KPO or becoming a customer service executive. Now, all these banks, there are so many big banks, right? I will not name any particular bank here, but there are so many banks. All these banks definitely need customer services executives, right? Customer support team members. Now, not only banks, but there are so many companies which also needs customer support executive. Now, these people who are 12th pass, they can definitely apply for customer support jobs or BPOs or KPOs, international BPOs or domestic BPOs, any kind of BPOs. Trust me, starting your career in a BPO will also help you to improve your communication skills. At the same time, BPOs or customer service companies, they also pay them very good. You will get very good payment, more than a software engineer earns or more than a graduate earns. You can also earn that much amount being a BPO executive or working in a BPO, KPO or becoming a customer service executive. Remember this thing. Now, the fourth thing in my list, the fourth career option, job option in my list is working as a data entry executive, data entry specialist or data entry expert. Any designation can be anything. This candidate can definitely become a data entry executive. There are so many companies, of course, e-commerce companies or any company, software company, any company, they usually have huge data. That data has to be uploaded in some software, some tool. Now for that purpose, they hire people who are 12th pass or discontinued their graduation, these kind of candidates. So if you are one of them, then you can definitely apply as a data entry executive in these company. Where will you find these kind of companies? You can check for Naukri.com, Shine.com, these kind of job portals, or else keep an eye on the different job portals. And if you know any data entry company, search in Google also. In Google also you will find data entry companies. Call them, email them, message them and ask them if they have any job vacancies suitable to you, and in that way you can start your job searching opportunity. Now the fifth thing in my list is becoming a primary school teacher. Yes, there are many schools like primary school, I would say school less than 5th class students. Now if you are a 12th pass candidate and if your spoken English is good, then definitely you can apply for becoming a primary school teacher also. That is also a career option in my list. So these were the 5 career options for private jobs. Now let us understand what kind of government jobs you can apply if you are a 12th pass candidate. Now the first thing in my list is definitely police job. You can apply for in police department. That is definitely, they will have many screening rounds. Definitely all these government jobs, they will have many screening rounds or filtration or different levels of round. Some exams will be conducted and things like that. Getting a job in police department is one of the option. Second one is getting a job in Indian Army. If you're physically fit, if you have good height and your health is perfect, then definitely you can apply in Indian Army as well. You can also apply in Merchant Navy. All the candidates who get selected in Merchant Navy, they also earn huge. I mean to say their salary will be very good. Their career will start like a rocket kind of thing. So getting a job in Merchant Navy is also an option if you want to get a job in government sector or government job. Now the next thing in my list is getting a job in Indian Railways. Yes, you can apply for Indian Railways also and you can become a clerk there. So clerical job, these kind of jobs you can get if you are applying in Indian Railways. Now please understand, all these government jobs, it is not like only 1% or 2% will be applying for these kind of government jobs. There will be huge, I mean to say the number of people who will be applying for this job will be huge. It totally depends on how you prepare for these jobs, these exams and things like that. So joining or applying for Indian Railways is the 4th option in my government jobs for 12th pass candidates. And the last one is Forest Department. Forest Department is also a government sector or government job. In Forest Department, you can become a junior assistant or you can become a forest guard. Forest guard, this kind of jobs are also they also look for people who are 12th pass or 12th candidates kind of students they will be looking for. Now after government job, the third section of this video is if you do not want to work for others, if you want to start something of your own, if you have some skills, or if you want to start freelancing, if you want to start your own business, being a 12th pass student, then what kind of business opportunities will be good for you? Now I will give you 6 options here. The very first option is definitely becoming a photographer. Photography, I mean to say wedding photographer, any event photographer. If you have that photography skill, you can definitely become a photographer. You can start your freelancing career. You can become your own boss. You can start your own business. If your name is Adarsh, you can start Adarsh Photography, this kind of name, your own brand name, and you can start your business. So becoming a photographer is the first option in my list. Second option is becoming a gym trainer. If you are a fitness freak, then you can definitely become a gym trainer. Even becoming a gym trainer, there is no qualification required, if I am not wrong. Then you can definitely become a gym trainer. In future, you can also start your own gym. So in that way, your career will grow. Now the next thing in my list is becoming or working in an event management company as an event manager, as an event organizer. So you have to manage, or you have to take care of the events that the company is organizing or the company is working on. So becoming an events manager is also another option, or starting an events management company is also another option in my list. Third list. Now the fourth list is becoming a graphic designer. If you are good in Photoshop, if you have good idea on Corel Draw or Illustrator, then you can also become a graphic designer. Graphic designers are freelancers. I mean to say, they can be freelancer. They design logos, they design brochures, they design catalogs, and they work on all the designing part, online designing part. So graphic designer is definitely the fourth option if you want to start your freelancing career. Now the fifth career option, freelancing option in my list is becoming a video editor. You can become a videographer or a video editor also. There are so many YouTubers around you. There are so many companies who invest in video marketing. Now you can become a video editor or video maker. You can shoot the videos and you can also edit the videos, and you can format the videos and you can send them to the company. The company will be paying you on that basis. For every project they will be paying you. So you become a freelancer, and because you have the skill of editing videos and formatting videos and taking videos, making videos, creating videos. So that is also a very good profession. You can start your career as a video editor or video maker also. The last option, the last point in my list is become a social media influencer. Becoming a social media influencer. You can create reels, very interesting, creatively made reels on Instagram, or you can start making YouTube shorts. Very similar like TikTok, how TikTok used to be there. Now you can create these small videos on social medias, and you can publish them on Instagram reels or YouTube shorts. So what will happen is people will start following you because they like your content, because they like your videos. People will start following you. Now once you have 1 lakh followers or 1 lakh subscribers, either on YouTube or Instagram or any other social media, then brands will approach you and they will ask you to promote their products or services or their company. In that way you become an influencer. For becoming an influencer also, there is no qualification requirement. Remember this one. And influencers also earn huge. They earn very big amount. Now they enjoy their work, and at the same time they are earning also. So becoming a social media influencer is definitely one of the job or career option in my list. So these were the private jobs, government jobs, and freelancing business ideas for a 12th pass candidate or candidate who has not completed their graduation. Now that's all for this video. If you like this video and if you feel this video is helpful to anyone in your network or anyone in your contact, you can share this video with them as well, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section of this video. And if you disagree with any content of this video, you can also comment that in the comment section of this video as well. Please like this video because I want your likes for this video as well. Share this video as much as possible with your friends and family members on WhatsApp and Facebook and all those things. So thank you so much. And if you are watching this video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe because I will be making lot more information video for you only. So subscribe to my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu, and don't forget to click the bell icon. I am also active on Instagram and Facebook. You can also search and follow me on Instagram. Just type Sushmita Madhu and you will find me. Same thing, go and search for Sushmita Madhu on Facebook as well. I'm also active there. Follow me there as well. On Instagram I post lot of my like day to day and lot of things, lot of content on Instagram as well. So thank you so much for watching this video this far, and thank you so much. Namaste.